Where are we?
Place.
What is today?
My birthday.
Where are we, Bear?
We're in Texas, being bored. Did you find Pokemon?
Yes. Where are we? What are we about to do?
Eat chicken.
We're in a boat ride. For the Ship Channel.
Yay! I bet this is a boat we're going on. The Sam Houston? Yeah.
That is. That's we're going on.
I guess this is an hour-and-a-half boat tour of the Ship Channel, the Port of Houston. It's a free boat tour. Anybody can sign up for it and go on it. It's pretty awesome. We're gonna learn some stuff here.
Constitution Bend. Yep.
Yeah, now it does. The front's really air conditioned.
Feels like we're standing on a party.
Complimentary coffee for any adults when I hook up. There will be a crew member behind the bar to assist you. Further down the channel, when we make our turn around, we will have soft drinks in the back of the boat for everyone.
Oh, I thought it would be deeper.
Feel free to visit with any one of our crew members on board. They will gladly answer any questions that you may have. The Port of Houston averages about 8,000 ships a year, moving more than 170 million tons of cargo. The Port of Houston is ranked number 1 in the U.S. in foreign tonnage, second in total tonnage, and 10th overall in the world. The white tanks here to the right is Westway Molasses Company. It handles blackstrap molasses. The tappet is used in cattle feed. First ship coming up on the right is a tanker. These tankers have large tanks located inside the hull of the ship, which can carry various types of liquid chemicals. The ship is registered under the flag of Malta. You'll notice on these ships they will fly the registry flag located on the back. They also fly the American flag at the highest point of the vessel. This is done out of common courtesy. The long warehouses to the left are called transit sheds. They protect
Tanker from Norway.
That's why the American flag.
They came a long way.
Now it goes back and forth to Norway.
You don't think?
That's probably where the ship was built. It's registered, and then it just goes wherever.
Ah. waiting for you.